Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to take an objective look at an expert advisor titled Goldenify. It's developed by Saiful Izam bin Hassan and listed on the MQL5 Marketplace. You can download a free Forex robot in the meantime for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, before we walk through the features and strategy tester data, let me clarify platform compatibility right away. According to the developer recommendations on the listing, Goldenify is built exclusively for MetaTrader 5. It is strictly an MT5 expert advisor. So if you're trading on MT4, keep in mind that this specific build is designed solely for the MT5 environment. Okay, so looking here at the MQL5 Marketplace listing, Goldenify is currently priced at $499.99 US with 10 activations sitting on version 1.5. The developer describes Goldenify as a quantitative workstation designed primarily for precision trading on gold or XAUUSD. Okay. Now, it mentions support for other major symbols as well. The system centers around capital preservation and execution quality. Rather than relying on a single indicator, it uses what the author calls an ensemble strategy. All right. And that strategy evaluates market conditions by combining technical indicators like MACD, RSI, and EMAs, along with price action patterns and volatility analysis. It's also worth noting that the author explicitly mentions, or rather recommends, using low spreads or ECN account types for execution and suggests running back tests using every tick based on real ticks for accurate evaluation. Now, moving into the input parameters, Goldenify includes a pretty broad set of configuration blocks aimed at risk control and execution stealth. In the trading and risk settings, you'll find parameters like starting risk percent, fractional Kelly sizing, and a dynamic risk scale that automatically scales down risk during drawdown periods. For risk limits, it features a max daily drawdown circuit breaker, a hard limit on consecutive losses, and equity latching. A feature meant to lock in trailing profits based on daily peak equity. On the execution side, the EA offers stealth mode to hide stop loss and take profit levels from server side order books, as well as virtual pending orders to manage entries locally. Okay. Now, there are also built-in session filters for London, New York, and Asian sessions, an optional news blackout filter, and an AI section with configurable confidence. Okay. Configurable confidence thresholds and multi-time frame trend filtering. Okay, so now from a trader's perspective, having granular inputs for lot sizing, session restrictions, and hard daily drawdown limits is valuable because it gives you control over exposure, especially if you are trading under specific account constraints. Now let us transition over to the strategy tester reports to analyze how the EA behaves under backtesting conditions. This test was conducted on XAUUSD on the H1 timeframe covering January 1st, 2026 to July 22nd, 2026. using an initial deposit of $10,000 at 1:1000 leverage, and we had a 99% history quality. Okay, so looking directly at the trade log, we notice an important detail regarding how the EA operates in the strategy tester. All right, the EA opened a single 0.01 lot, and it was a buy order with the comment validation V150 on March 23rd, 2026. Okay, let's just briefly go to the strategy tester report. All right, so we can see that validation V150, just a single buy trade, was actually executed, okay, on the 23rd of March 2026, and it's closed, and it's closed just 31 seconds later via a take profit deal for a gain of $9.60. Okay, so you can see that here, $9.60. Now, in the input settings, the enable tester optimizations was set to true. Okay, this was set to true, while enable full backtest was set to false. Because full backtesting mode was turned off during this run, the EA simply executed its setup validation script and concluded the test without running its full automated trading loop across the rest of the historical data set. So looking at the final numbers from this test run, the total net profit recorded was $9.6 from one trade, with a maximal equity drawdown of 0.03%, giving us $2.51. It's crucial to understand what these historical numbers mean from an analytical standpoint. Rather than representing an extended performance record of the ensemble strategy itself, this backtest simply confirms that the EA's diagnostic and validation routine initialized properly on the broker server. To evaluate how the multi-timeframe filters, session controls, and risk management perform over time, you will need to run a full backtest with enable full backtest toggle to true across multi-layer data using real tick data. Now, as always, historical testing is only one piece of the puzzle. When evaluating any automated system, performance in real-time trading can vary significantly depending on broker execution speeds, live spread, slippage, lot size configurations, and overall market regime changes. In conclusion, Goldenify presents a highly structured set of parameters for gold traders focused on risk management, stealth execution, and session filtering. Based on the available marketplace details, it may appeal to traders who want fine-grained control over position sizing and execution modes on MT5. However, because no expert advisor is universally suitable for all market conditions, I strongly encourage running your own full-length backtest and testing it thoroughly on a demo account before considering it for live trading. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.